Ni siku chache zimepita tokea taarifa hizi zilipovuja kwenye mitandao ya kijamii kuhusiana na aliyekuwa mtangazaji wa redio ya Kameme FM Njogu wa Njoroge, na pia alikuwa rafiki wa karibu sana wa rais mstaafu Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta kuwa ameweza kupata mchumba mwingine. Jina lake mchumba huyu limekuwa fiche kwa wengi, maana wengi walijaribu kutafuta ukweli kulingana na uhusiano huu ila hawakupata. Tumekuwa tukifanya uchunguzi na kuzingatia kwa kina ndipo kuweza kukupa taarifa za ukweli kulingana na hili, na kwa sasa tunao ujumbe kuhusiana na ni nani haswa huyu ambaye yupo katika mahusiano na Njogu wa Njoroge kwa sasa, baada ya yeye kuweza kutengana na aliyekuwa mpenzi wake na mkewe wa pili Licoln, mwimbaji wa nyimbo za Injili hapa nchini Kenya. Jina lake ni Shiko. Ndio tunakuletea story yake. In a surprising turn of events, the esteemed Kenyan media personality Njogu wa Njoroge recently sent shockwaves through social media by unveiling a mysterious woman on his platforms. The veteran journalist, renowned for his influential radio presence, pulled back the curtains on his private life, sharing intimate photos of the enigmatic woman identified as Shiko. The shared images paint a vivid picture of a deep connection between Njogu and Shiko, capturing moments of shared smiles and their hands touching in an affectionate display of intimacy. Njogu, not one to shy away from expressing his emotions, accompanied the snapshots with affectionate declarations such as "mine," adorned with love emojis, giving his audience a glimpse into the profound bond they share with this new-found catch. Adding a harmonious touch to this revelation, Njogu selected the soundtrack of Diamond Platnumz's hit song "My Baby Paradise" to accompany the images. The voice of this popular track further heightened the romantic undertones, creating a melodic backdrop for the unfolding love story. This disclosure comes in the wake of Njogu's divorce from gospel singer Licoln in February of this year, citing infidelity as the cause. It seems that Njogu has found solace and companionship in the company of Shiko, marking a new chapter in his life. As the online community continues to buzz with the speculations and intrigue, Njogu and Njoroge's public revelation serves as a testament to the evolving nature of personal relationships in the public eye. The veteran journalist's decision to share these intimate moments reflect a desire for transparency, inviting his audience into the intricacies of his newfound romance with Shiko, and undoubtedly sparking conversation about love, resilience, and second chances. Love is a beautiful thing, we can say. For now, these are among the trending stories in the country. Make sure you subscribe to FM Show KA. Now, reading a few reactions from Kenyans. I can see Master Ben says Mwishowe atarudi kwa first wife. These youthful ladies deserve young men, not old folks like Njogu. Olanaiso says the old man is trying to appear digital. What is the probability that is displaying used merchandise? The previous owner may be smiling inwardly after offloading a problem. Guy, Grace Kiara says looks like she is an age mate of Nyawera, Njogu's daughter. Team anasema let me be dimmed by shida zangu. Njogu, do whatever you feel is good for your soul. Ignore naysayers. Rosemary Wamoyo says high class nonsense, I tell you. Look for your age mates type of women. What are you displaying here now? Hashindwe kabisa. Watu wakipendana wacheni wapendana wadau. Mambo ya chuki na paruanja ambazo hazizai chochote tuziache. Kwa sasa subscribe.